Hello everyone, welcome to How To With Hugh, the best place for your no BS crypto tutorials. In this video, we're going to be looking at how do I install and set up a MetaMask account. So step number one is go to metamask.io, and I have all the links in the description down below. And what you're going to want to do is click on download and add a MetaMask to your extension. I have Google, so it's going to add to my Google extensions, and for whatever browser you have, it should work just fine. And I'll get back to you guys once that is set up and downloaded. If you have your MetaMask downloaded, you want to go ahead and click on Get Started, and then you're going to want to click on Create Your Own Wallet. Go ahead and agree, and this is where you're going to want to set your password. Obviously set it something not simple. Make sure you have some capital letters in there, some numbers, some exclamation, question marks, just so make it a little safer. Then once you get there, you're gonna see this screen right here, secret backup phrase, and I cannot stress this enough. Once you reveal these secret words, do not take a picture of them. Do not put it into your notes under any circumstances, because even if you delete those off your phone, a hacker could still go into your phone and see your deleted files and whatnot. So 10 years down the road, when you have a lot of money in your MetaMask account and hackers are really trying to steal people's money, you want to make sure you have no evidence of that online. So my suggestion is write it down on a piece of paper and have a few of those pieces of papers just in case you lose one, because if you do not have this secret backup phrase and you lose it, you'll never ever get access to your account ever again, and all your funds will be locked. So it's very unfortunate. So make sure you, one, write it down on a piece of paper, and two, put that in a safe place and have multiple copies. Now after that is set up, it should bring you to this. We're going to confirm your secret backup phrase. And then after that, you click all done. And bam, your MetaMask account should be all set up. This is pretty easy and pretty straightforward. If you want to send money to your MetaMask, you want to go ahead and download something like Coinbase, crypto.com, and just transfer it over to your MetaMask address. And from there, you could now set up your MetaMask to OpenSea.io and do whatever you want, buy NFTs, do whatever you wanted to do with that MetaMask. So I hope that quick tutorial helped and it was straightforward. I will have all the links down in the description. If you have any comments, please let me know.